Is your guys' goal to look like you're about to explode?
My biceps, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I know you have muscle there. I mean, I'm just saying, like,
Do I shit?
do you think there's a?
I just want to look jacked and sexy and beautiful.
I'm a sex symbol, man. You feel me?
I don't know. I have nothing to say. I'm not a woman
Yeah.
or gay.
Well,
am
sometimes
I.
it's just subjective, you know. It could be subjective too.
Wait, do you think like Brad Pitt? Do you think he's like handsome and shit? Like,
I
you
mean-
say that about another man?
I'm not attracted to him. I think
No, but
like I guess he has like features maybe that I don't know. It's hard to say something without sounding a little
yeah,
gay.
you're right.
You can't say he's handsome. Like he's a handsome dude.
He's
bro.
a handsome guy, but I mean, I feel like that could be taken out of context.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, what about the racist shit you said? That could be taken out of context.
Yeah, but I'm honest about it. I am.
If you're honest about it, it makes it better. So
that does make it better.